the 10th of July, about 1 year, 2.5 months later, after the marriage, on 10th of July, 1996, my son, Farik, was born. And we asked an Arabic scholar, I want a name which is like a Dai, unique name. So he gave the name Farik. Farik means to differ between the haq and batil, the truth against falsehood. A unique name, same like Farooq. And after Farik was born, he was hardly 2.5 months, and we went to meet Sheikh Ahmad Deedat. In 1994, we went to meet Sheikh Ahmad Deedat. And Farik was 2.5 months old, and we have the photograph of Sheikh Deedat carrying my son, Farik. And he blessed him, and we can see the results of his dua. At that time, I gave my first lecture abroad in South Africa in the Grey Street Durban Mosque. It was the largest mosque of South Africa, and the person sitting in front of me was Sheikh Ahmad Deedat. And I was nervous that Sheikh Ahmad Deedat listening to my talk. And after that talk, he gave me a certificate calling me Deedat Plus in 1994. And I said, surely this man is great. He wants to encourage me. Therefore he called me. I was nothing. And then I asked his son, that has your father given this title to anyone else? He said, no, you're the only person. I thought maybe, to encourage youngsters, people try and give. He said, no. I said, what did Sheikh Deedat see in me that he gave me this title? And in the Grey Street Mosque, there were more than 1,000 people there. Maybe a few thousand people, mashallah, for the Jummah Salah. And he told me, son, you are coming from India, you have large audiences. When you go to Saudi Arabia, Gulf countries, expect only 5 or 10 people. Maybe in the mosque, maybe in the university. Don't expect hundreds and thousands of people like you have in India. So expect only 5 people, 10 people, and then slowly, inshallah, later on you may get popularity. So when I went to give my first talk after Durban in 1996, in the beginning of 1996, the first talk I gave in Jeddah, I was expecting about 10 to 15 people. And mashallah, for the first talk in Jeddah, there were more than 1,000 people. I was shocked. Then I realized some people had copied my video cassette and they distributed it. I had hardly given 3-4 lectures. It became viral. And Saudi Arabia is the hub. People from all over the world come to work there. From USA, from Canada, from UK, from Malaysia, you have from Australia, all over the world people come and work there. So from there, it became viral throughout the world, and I started receiving invitations from throughout the world. That was how I started my international talks.